Here's our first word. It has our new rule that we're working on this week, so I'm going to go through this one with you, okay?
Okay.
What are we working on this week? What's our new rule? Lawson?
Y saying E.
Y saying E. And when have we learned that Y says E? Mason?
When there's more than one syllable.
Very good. When there's more than one syllable. So first, we're going to look for our first two
Vowels.
So what's the first vowel, everybody?
A.
We're going to underline, label. What's our next vowel?
Y.
Y. We're going to underline and label. Next, I need to
Build a bridge.
Very good. We have one consonant on our bridge, so we're going to underline and label. Now, we've learned when we have vowel, consonant, vowel, we used to always divide after the first vowel, but now we know sometimes we will divide after the consonant. Very good. So we're going to use our straw. You guys have a straw. I'm going to use my clipboard here. So first we'll try the one that happens more often, after the first vowel. If our line was there, that syllable would be lay. The word would be?
Lady.
Is lady a word?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that sounds like that's where our division line's going to go. So that first syllable, everybody, is it open, closed, or magic E? Everybody. Open. Very good. If it's open, the vowel will be
Long.
Very good. Next syllable, is it open, closed, or magic E, everybody?
Open.
Open. If it's open, the vowel will be
Long.
And since it's more than one syllable, our Y is going to say
E.
Very good. First syllable.
Lay.
Next syllable.
D.
The word is?
Lady.
What's a lady? You may know a synonym for lady. What do you think, Paisley?
Woman.
Woman. Lady and woman mean the same thing. Very good. All right, are you ready to do one on your own board?
Yes.
All right, I need you to write piece A N I C. And then you're going to go ahead and do that one yourself. What would it be if you put the straw there? What would this be? Panic. Does that sound like a word? So what is it when you move the line? Would you say it was? Panic. Very good. Real quick, you had a vowel, consonant, vowel word. And I saw with Riley that she tried this first. When we try this, it's pay, nick. Panic. Does that sound like a word you know?
No.
No. So did you try to move your straw and test this one out?
Yeah.
What would that be?
Panic.
The word would be?
Panic.
Does that sound like a word you've heard?
Yes.
Yes. So now we know the line is going to go there. If you need to fix yours, you can fix it now. So our first syllable, P-A-N, is that open, closed, or magic E, everybody? Closed. So the vowel is?
Short.
Very good. Next syllable, open, closed, or magic E, everybody?
Closed.
Closed. So the vowel will be?
Short.
Very good. And the word was?
Panic.
What is it?
Panic.
Does anybody know what panic means? What does panic mean, Riley?
You mean you're worried?
You're really worried. Yeah, you're stressed out about something. Like if all of a sudden, you know how I count how many of you there are all the time? If all of a sudden we were missing somebody and I didn't know where they were, guess what I would probably do? Panic, because I got to find you. Very good. All right, erase. You want to do a big one?
Yeah!
I like the excitement for that one. So this is going to be a longer word. Make sure you start all the way over on the left side of your board. C O N T, A, N, T, L, Y. It's a big one.
I still have a lot of space.
All right, see if you can do this one all by yourself. Now remember, when we have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, yep, it always goes between those consonants. Good job. Good job. And why did you put NT together?
Because NT it says N, but if you did it TL, that will be tool.
So NT is a, what do we call that?
Blend.
Blend. Very good. All right, so what kind of syllable is this one?
Closed.
Okay. And this one? Okay. What about that one? Very good. Now what do you think the word is?
Stand.
Take that again.
Stand.
Can you say it louder?
Constantly.
What do you think the word is?
Constantly.
Do you know what constantly means?
Really fast.
Not really fast. Constantly means like all the time. Yeah. You think you've got it?
Yeah.
All right. We're going to go over it together. So first we find our first two
Vowels.
What was the first vowel?
O.
O. Next vowel? A. Then we build the bridge. There are 3 consonants on our bridge. So what did you put together? Lincoln? ST. Because ST, everybody, is a
Blend.
Very good. Which means N is all by himself. When we have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, we don't even need our straw. We know the line's going to go between the two.
Consonants.
Between the two what?
Consonants.
Consonants. There you go. All right, now, are we finished?
No.
We have another vowel. Another vowel that is not magic E. Remember, we never underline magic E. So our next vowel is Y. We're going to underline and label. What now?
Build the bridge.
Build the bridge. Thank you, Willow. All right, we have 1, 2, we've got 3 again. What are we going to do, Danny?
We're going to put the NT together
Why put NT together?
because they're blend.
Very good. NT together because they're a blend. And then L is all by itself. And then we cover this up so we don't get confused. So we have another vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. So the line goes between the two Listen closely to the question. The line's going to go between the two consonants. Whoops. I almost broke my blend up. That's not what we want. There we go. So show me on your fingers how many syllables we have in this word. Very good. You should be holding up 3. What kind of syllable is the first one, everybody? What kind? Open, closed, or magic E? Closed. So the vowel is
Short.
Very good. Hands and eyes. Next we have S-T-A-N-T. Open, closed, or magic E? Closed. So the vowel is
Short.
Very good. One more syllable. Open, closed, or magic E?
Open.
So the vowel is Well, since it's a Y, we have to know which sound Y is going to make. Is it going to say I or E? E. It's going to say E. Raise your hand if you can tell me why it's going to say E. Levi?
Because it has more than one syllable.
Because our word has more than one syllable. Are you ready to read it? Here we go. Eyes on me. Constantly. Put it together.
Constantly.
The word is?
Constantly.
Does anybody know what constantly means? What do you think it means, Lawson?
Over and over and over again.
Over and over and over again. So If I said the class was constantly talking, that means they're talking like all the time, over and over again. They just keep talking. If I said we are constantly learning new things, all the time we're learning new things. All right, erase. All right, you ready for another one?
Yeah.
This is a short one. L-A-Z-Y. That's it. That's the word.
Wood.
So what is it if you put the line there? Lazy. Very good. I like how I see people using those straws to make sure they're going to put that line in the right spot. Give me a thumbs up if you think you know what the word is. See a lot of thumbs. All right, let's see if you're right. I'm going to go through this one a little quicker. A is a vowel and Y is a vowel. Build my bridge. One consonant on my bridge. Oh man, when I have vowel, consonant, vowel, I know I've got to try two different things. Let's try it here first because this one is more common. If we put it here, that word is lazy. What's the word?
Lazy.
Is that a word you know?
Yeah.
It is. Look what would happen if we put it over here. It would be lazy. Is lazy a word? No. So we were right. It's the first one, the more common one. So when we put it there, hands and eyes.
Hands and eyes.
Then our first syllable is open, and everybody, the vowel would be
Long.
This syllable is also
Open.
but it's a Y, so we need to think. Is Y going to say I or E? Raise your hand. Amelia?
E.
E, because why? Why is the Y saying E? Willow?
Because why says E at the end of more than a one syllable word?
Yeah, if the word has more than one syllable, the Y will say E. So again, the word is
Lazy.
What's the word?
Lazy.
Lazy. Our word is lazy. What does lazy mean? Oh no. Henley, what's lazy mean?
You are sitting on the couch and watching TV all day.
Yeah, you're not really doing any work. You're not really using any of your energy up. You're just laying around being lazy. Do you think you should be lazy at school?
No.
No, we've got too much to learn and do. All right, go ahead and erase. You're doing great. Which one should I choose?
I know white one.
Should I choose the hardest one on my...
I know white one.
All right, I think we can do the hard one. Are you ready?
Yeah.
This is the long one, so start way over. This has something we just learned last week, so be very careful. C O N T E M P L A T E. That's a lot of letters. All right, let's see if you can do it. Don't be tricked. There's something hiding at the end of that word. Look at this. We have two possible blends. LP is a blend. PL is also a blend. So if we have to choose, who do we leave together? good. Remember, R is the one that goes first, but then L is right behind it. Ah, good job. You caught it. Very good. So you have closed, and magic E. So what do you think the word is?
Contemplate.
Put it together.
Contemplate.
Again.
Contemplate.
The word is?
Contemplate.
Contemplate. Very good. All right, how's it going with this big word?
Good.
You think you've got it figured out?
Yeah.
It's a tricky one. I think I might have tricked a couple of you. All right, we're going to go over it. So can you put your markers down for a minute? Because I don't want you to miss anything. All right, we're going to look for the first two
Vowels.
The first vowel is
O.
O. Underline and label. The next vowel is
E.
Underline and label. Hands and eyes.
Hands and eyes.
All right, I built my bridge. There's just two consonants, and they are not a digraph, so they are going to get separated. Easy peasy, right?
Yeah.
All right, gets a little trickier after this. All right, our next vowel is A. We now have an A over here. Gonna build our bridge. And uh-oh, 3 consonants. An even bigger uh-oh, mp is a blend, and pull is a blend. So what did you decide to do, Wyman?
Put the PL together.
Why'd you put the PL together?
L is the second most common.
Oh, I love that. L is the second most common blend. Do you guys remember who the most common blend is? Lawson?
R.
R blends are the most common. L blends are right behind it. So we're going to keep that one together. Very good. So sorry buddy, you're by yourself. Another vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. So did you divide between and P?
Yeah.
You should have. Now, do we underline and label our next vowel?
No.
No, who is that?
Magic E.
Magic E. We're not going to underline and label him because he's not making a
Sound.
What is his one job? It's not to make a sound. Zephyr, what's his job?
It's to make whatever vowel is behind one consonant make its name.
Yeah, he's going to make that vowel over here say its name. So we just have 3 syllables. First syllable, everybody.
Close.
Open, closed, or magic E. Close. So the vowel is
Short.
Good. Open, closed, or magic E.
Close.
So the vowel is
Short.
Open, closed, or magic E.
Magic E.
Magic E. Very good. All right, big word. Can we read it?
Yeah.
First syllable.
Contemplate.
Put it together.
Contemplate.
The word is?
Contemplate.
Do you know what contemplate means?
No.
Danny, what do you think?
It's a big thing to roll.
It's not. Contemplate means to really think about something. Like you might contemplate what you're going to do after school. That means you're just really taking time to really think about it. Or sometimes you might contemplate what the book was about. You might really spend a lot of time really thinking about it. What was the big meaning behind the book? All right, go ahead and erase. That's our last one. Good job.